Right, welcome back. We have a motorbike on a stand, a bit of a homemade stand, but it's quite solid, pretty sturdy on there, works quite well. So now we've got that, we can start looking at taking wheels off and stuff and really getting this frame down to its bare minimum. Got some new stuff arrived. To be fair, I don't need any of this just yet. We've got some alcohol, some copper grease, some bearing grease, which I'm assuming they'll all come in handy later on. Even this as well, new torque wrench. It's quite a cheap one, but kind of useful. So we'll same again. Kind of done things a bit backwards actually. I bought all this stuff, but they're going to be needed towards the end of the project. Next things I need to be buying is paint stripper and what else is it? Oh, paints, I suppose. Yeah, and start going down that rabbit hole of what to spray it with. But yeah, today we are going to take this shock out and hopefully get the swing arm off. You'll be also pleased to know we've got a decent clamp now, so I can hold the camera a bit better. Less slippages, hopefully. Go, not done it. Right, this thing is beating me. This thing here, and after doing a lot of research, it's quite a tough piece to get out. It's annoying though, because this is all free moving, but I think there's pressed bearings in there and some sort of what do we call it? I forgot what it's called. But anyway, I've come to the fact I'm going to have to cut it out. Get a hacksaw down here and here. Now I'm thinking it's going to make it easier if we get this engine out of the way, and I can have a nice stroke like that. And then, yeah, because every other way you're not going to get a decent go on it. And we can get the hacksaw in, cut that out. So in order to do that, there are a few bolts on the engine to take out. I have no idea how much these weigh, so we're going to find out. So there's a couple bolts here on the mount, and at the back there, and a few on the other side. So we'll get doing that now. Oh, it's not too bad. The only problem is you've got this chain dangling off it, which is probably going to be awkward. I need to get it off the swing arm.